Hi boys, today we're going to be talking about what rappers actually want in their beats. So let's get it. I'm going to go to the piano roll, grab, I already got X-Pen loaded up. Anyways, I'm going to show you this trick that I like to use. So we go, we're going to keep it minor because we want tension. So, okay, and then we're going to mute that in the channel right. We're just going to copy it up and down. Okay, then we're going to grab a different sound. Probably going to do like a piano or something. I'm going to get it from Nexus actually. So we got our melody. Now we're gonna add some strings and perks. Let me play for y'all real quick. Okay, where is it? Follow it up. I'm at the bass. Nexus. That sounds so weird. I'm in 140, bro. I want to try that. Am I literally retarded? I'm not even playing for 4 bars. I think I might be dumb. Pushing copies over. That's why it's so fast, bro. add some melody. Let's add some drums so you can hear what it sounds like. Delete that, wherever it is. Delete. It's 140 already. I'm not gonna go for Detroit stuff. We're just gonna go hard trap. A minor, so we pitch it down. Pretty sure it's A minor. G major, the fudge. That's why you always gotta check, bro. Okay. Okay, it's 77. Wait a minute. 7 semitones up. Yeah, so wherever you put the 3 notes will change how the beat feels. So where I put them, the kind of made it a happy beat because I think okay, I understand. So I was going for a C minor, but I got a G major. So I was using those were the notes I was using. I was trying to do a C minor. That's why it sounds happy. this real quick. Up the out knob. So yeah, it's a beat. Try this trick out for yourself. See y'all in the next video. Subscribe for 20 days of luck. Peace and love.